Hi there everyone, it's Shopee 1111 again, and I have here one pack of goodies from our HR. So, salamat Shopee again. So, I won't call this unboxing kasi there's no box. So, I'll just open this and see what's inside. Sabi nila punitin mo daw para masundan. Okay, so first one is a kit. There's wow, you see lots of medicine. So we got here like multivitamins, para sa sakit ng ulo, sakit ng tiyan, sa sipon, okay, vitamin B complex, para sa lagnat, oh, for allergy, para sa ubo, vitamin pampalakas, oh, may analgesic pa. And then, we got here another paracetamol. Tapos, multivitamins. Tapos, oh, small pouch. Another small pouch. Vitamins again. So that's it. So those are anti-COVID drugs. Not really anti-COVID drugs, but vitamins to prevent COVID para palakasin yung immune system. So the next one, let's see. Actually, there's a note again. So 11/11 big Christmas sale surprise. As we approach the remaining big campaigns for the year, we would like to thank you for the hard work and dedication. We prepared a simple token for you this 11/11 Christmas sale as we continue with our work from home setup. We hope you and your family continue to stay safe and healthy. Happy 11/11 big Christmas sale. Live at Shopee. Salamat Shopee. Shopee PH 1111. Okay, let's see the other stuff inside. Okay, this is a washable face mask. Tapos, oh. Yeah, I got a new palengke bag. Then, oh, yes. Okay. Another shirt from Shopee. So, that's 11/11. At meron na akong unan ng Shopee para sa back ko. Para pag work from home, hindi masakit sa likod. Okay? So, happy 11/11. Salamat Shopee.